Wood is not only a material used for interior decoration or producing daily household items like tables, chairs, cabinets, beds, but is also one of the most traditional, safe, and friendly materials for producing toys for children. In the country, with the second largest industry in the world, wooden toys are produced and exported globally. And right now, let's explore the wooden toy production process in modern factories. The rubber tree, Hevea brasiliensis, has a unique double life. Stage 1, 7 to 25 years. Latex tapping for gloves, tires. Stage 2, 25 to 30 years. When latex yield drops. Trees are cut for toy, furniture wood. Each tree is 60 to 80 feet tall, 16 to 24 inches in diameter, yielding 0.7 to 1.0 cubic meters of solid wood. Rubber wood has perfect characteristics for toys. 1. Non-toxic, not harmful, safe for kids. 2. Light color, pale yellow, easy to paint. 3. Medium density, 640 to 720 kilograms per cubic meter light, but strong. 4. Easy to machine, easy to cut, drill, sand. 5. Affordable, 40% cheaper than beech/maple. Hainan and Yunnan produce 150 to 200 cubic meters per hectare per year. The harvest season is from March to May, after the tree retires from latex production. Lumberjacks use specialized chainsaws to cut trees at the base. One difference from oak/pine, rubber wood must be processed immediately after cutting because it is prone to mold and sap stain, blue-black streaks, due to enzyme oxidation within 24 to 48 hours. Right at the forest, workers spray boron preservative onto fresh wood. Trees are delimbed, bucked into 6 to 8 feet logs. Skidders pull logs to the collection point. Each worker cuts 25 to 35 trees per day. Interesting fact, 100% of the rubber tree is recycled, not a single part is wasted. Truly sustainable forestry. Urgent transport. Log loaders grab logs onto trucks. Vehicles carrying 22,000 to 33,000 pounds, 10 to 15 tons, move quickly to the toy factory sawmill, 30 to 80 miles away. At the gate of Rowood Wooden Toys Factory in Guangdong, logs are checked. Diameter greater than or equal to 12 inches. No rot, no severe cracks. Fresh moisture content, 50 to 60%. Immediately. Logs are put into a vacuum treatment chamber, a vacuum pressure tank with 3 to 5% boron solution at 100 to 150 psi for 45 to 90 minutes. Boron penetrates deep into the wood, preventing mold, termites, fungi. After treatment, wood is safe and ready for sawing. Welcome to Rowood Toy Factory, where rubber wood works magic. First step, sawing and cutting. Logs are placed on the bandsaw carriage. Large saws cut into lumber. Planks 0.75 to 1.5 inches thick. Boards 4 to 8 inches wide. Recovery rate 35 to 45% because the trunk is smaller than oak. Lumber is cut into blanks, rough billets, by crosscut saw and rip saw, according to toy part sizes. 2 by 2 by 4 inches for building blocks, 1 by 6 by 8 inches for puzzle pieces, 3 by 3 by 12 inches for train cars. Waste wood is not thrown away, made into sawdust blocks or biomass fuel. Blanks are sorted by size and quality, grade A/B/C, grade A for visible toy parts, grade C for internal frames. Kiln drying is important. Wet blanks, 50 to 55% MC, are stacked in kiln dryers with stickers, 1 by 1 inch wooden strips, separating them. The kiln is heated by steam/electric to 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 to 60 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity decreases from 85% down to 40%. The drying process takes 7 to 14 days faster than furniture lumber because toy blanks are smaller. Goal: moisture content 8 to 12% ideal for toys not warping. Rubber wood dries faster than oak, but must be careful to avoid case hardening. Dry outside, wet inside. Kiln operators monitoring 24/7. Blanks after drying are 40% lighter and stable, ready for machining. CNC routing, the heart of toy production. Blanks are fed into CNC routers, computer-controlled cutting machines with precision plus or minus 0.02 inches. CAD software, AutoCAD Rhino, designs 3D toys. CAM software, Mastercam, creates tool paths. CNC routers with multi-spindle, 4 to 6 cutting heads, cut multiple parts at once, increasing productivity 400%. For example, wooden train engine from 3 by 4 by 8 inch blank is cut, drilled, carved in detail in 5 to 8 minutes. Building blocks are gang cut many at once. Puzzle pieces with interlocking tabs are laser cut accurate to 0.01 millimeters. Dust collection system sucks. Dust strongly 8,000 cubic feet per minute. Capacity: 500 to 800 toy parts per hour, depending on complexity. Detailed carving and drilling. Complex parts need manual carving or 5-axis CNC. For example, rocking horse head with mane. Facial features: dollhouse has decorative trim. Window frames. Drill presses create holes for dowels. Axles. Wheel shafts. Assembly screws. Gang drill machine drilling 5 to 10 bits at once. Drilling holes for building block sets. Hole diameter 0.25 to 0.5 inches for dowels. 0.125 inches for axle pegs. Tolerance plus or minus 0.005 inches, so parts fit tightly. Lathe machines create cylindrical parts, wheels, axles, pegs, turning speed 1,200 to 2,000 RPM. Result: toy parts with exquisite details. Sanding, the key safety step. All toy parts must be sanded thoroughly to remove splinters, rough edges, sharp corners, absolutely safe for children. Multi-stage sanding, Stage 1. Drum sander, 60 to 80 grit, removes large rough surfaces. Stage 2. Belt sander, 100 to 120 grit, smooths edges and curves. Stage 3. Orbital sander, 150 to 180 grit, creates smooth surface. Stage 4. Hand sanding, 220 grit, for small details and hard-to-reach areas. Rubberwood sands easier than hardwoods. Edge rounding mandatory. All corners must be rounded 3 millimeters radius, according to EN 71 safety standards. Workers check by hand every part. Goal: surface smooth as silk. No splinters. Base coating primer layer. Before coloring, parts are applied. Base coat, primer, to seal wood and create good foundation for paint adhesion. Eco-friendly water. Base primer is sprayed by HVLP spray guns in spray booth with strong ventilation. Primer, clear or white, depending on final color. For example, train engine to be painted red uses white primer. Natural building blocks use clear sealer. Parts are hung on overhead conveyor chains running through drying tunnel 85 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. After drying, light sanding 220 grit to smooth primer layer. Create tooth for top coat. Primer application ensures even, durable paint. No peeling critical for toys withstanding impact. Color painting vivid coloring. This is the step turning toy parts into colorful products. Non-toxic water-based paints, EN 71-3 certified no lead, no heavy metals, are used. Colors, red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple primary colors stimulate children's visual development. There are 3 methods. 1. Spray painting for large surfaces like train bodies, rocking horse. 2. Drum painting, tumbling parts in drum with paint, effective for building block sets, 1,000 blocks painted at once. 3. Dip painting, dipping parts into paint bath. Each color needs 2 to 3 layers, drying 20 to 30 minutes between layers. Color consistency, critical batch mixing ensures uniformity. Silk screen printing, decorative printing. Many toys need logos, patterns, educational graphics, letters A, B, C, numbers 1, 2, 3, animal faces. Silk screen printing method. 1. Stencil screen with pattern is placed on toy surface. 2. Ink is spread through screen by squeegee. 3. Pattern transfers to toy-only ink in open areas of stencil. For example, alphabet blocks have letters A to Z, train cars have numbers 1 to 10, puzzle pieces have animal illustrations. Heat transfer printing for complex images. Decal is placed on toy. Heat press 300 degrees Fahrenheit transfers image. Pad printing for small curved surfaces. Laser engraving for premium toys. Brand logo, child's name customization. Graphics must be child-safe, no small decals that can peel off. Clear coat finishing final protection. After painting and printing, toys are applied. Clear top coat to protect paint, create gloss, and easy-to-clean surface. Water-based polyurethane, PU, or acrylic clear coat is sprayed 1 to 2 thin layers. Finish options. 1. Matte finish dull, natural look. Tactile feel good for baby toys. 2. Satin finish semi-gloss, most popular, both beautiful and practical. 3. Gloss finish high gloss. Vibrant colors pop out, easy to clean. Top coat must meet toy safety, saliva resistant, bite resistant, non-flaking. Final drying 24 hours at room temperature or 2 to 3 hours in curing ovens 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Toys after finish are hard, durable, ready for assembly. Assembly finish product assembly. Simple toys like building blocks don't need assembly, but complex toys need skilled workers. Train sets. Engine cars are connected by magnetic couplers or hook and loop. Wheels are attached to axles. Axles inserted into train body through dowel holes. Wood glue, PVA non-toxic, is used for permanent joints. Rocking horses, body rockers, head assembly using dowels and screws. Dollhouses, walls, roof, floors are glued and nailed together. Puzzles. Pieces are fit tested, ensuring interlock perfect. Quality control. Workers check each assembled toy wheels roll smooth, connections tight, no loose parts, choking hazard. Assembly line. 50 to 100 toys per hour, depending on complexity. Final quality control, strict inspection. Each toy passes 20 to 30 checkpoints before packaging. 1. Visual inspection, no paint defects, scratches, dents. 2. Dimension check measuring tools, verify size match specs. 3. Safety test, no sharp edges, edge tester, no small parts under 31.7 millimeters, small parts, cylinder test. 4. Function test wheels roll smooth, doors open/close, puzzle pieces fit. 5. Drop test toy dropped from 36 inches onto hard floor, check for breakage. 6. Bite test, simulated teeth, bite toy. no paint flake off. 7. Saliva and sweat test toy soaked in solution. Check for harmful substance leaching. Pass rate 96 to 98%. Failed toys reworked or discarded. Third-party testing labs, SGS, TUV, certify compliance EN71, ASTMF 963, CPSIA. Packaging design, attractive packing. Toys are packed into packaging, both protective and marketing. Options: 1. Window boxes, craft paper boxes with plastic window to see toy inside, printed with colorful graphics. Age recommendations, educational benefits. 2. Shrink wrap individual toys wrapped in clear plastic. 3. Mesh bags building block sets in cotton mesh bags, reusable. 4. Wooden crates premium train sets in decorative wooden boxes. Packaging must be recyclable, minimal plastic, clear labeling, age 3, choking warnings, barcode, brand logo. Assembly instructions included for complex toys. Packaging line, automated machines fold boxes, insert toys, seal 200 units per hour. Attractive packaging increases sales 40%. Distribution, global distribution. From Rowood Factory, Guangdong, thousands of cartons of wooden toys are transported worldwide. Domestic market, 40%. Truck to toy stores all over China, Beijing. Shanghai, Shenzhen, export market, 60%. Toys are containerized, shipped to 80+ countries. Top destinations, USA, 30%. Target, Walmart, Amazon, EU, 20%. Toy shops, Germany, UK, France, Australia, 8%. Japan, 7%. Middle East, 5%. 40-foot container holds 8,000, 12,000 toy sets, depending on size. Shipping time, 25 to 35 days by sea to USA, 20 to 25 days to EU. China exports $2.8 billion wooden toys per year, accounting for 65% global market share. Rubber wood toys are popular because eco-friendly, affordable. $10 to $80 per set versus $50 to $200 for hardwood toys. At retail meeting families, at Target, Walmart Toy Department, Amazon Warehouse, wooden toys are displayed eye-catchingly. Popular products: building block sets, 50 to 200 pieces, $15 to $45. Wooden train sets, $25 to $80. Puzzles, 20 to 100 pieces, $12 to $35. Rocking horses, $60 to $150. Dollhouses, $80 to $200. Parents love rubber wood toys because 1. Safety, non-toxic. No sharp edges, durable. 2. Educational, develop motor skills, creativity, problem solving. 3. Eco-friendly, sustainable wood, biodegradable. 4. Screen-free play, encourage imagination versus tablets. 5. Heirloom quality, passed down generations. Reviews, 4.5 to 5 stars. My 3-year-old loves the train. Set safe, sturdy, beautiful. Global market, 180 million children play with wooden toys every year. Rubber wood toys account for 40% wooden toy market. Educational benefits. Wooden toys are not just toys, but learning tools. Building blocks develop spatial awareness, hand-eye coordination, early math, counting, sorting. Train sets teach cause-effect, sequencing, storytelling. Puzzles improve problem solving, patience, fine motor skills. Pretend play, dollhouses, kitchen sets. Enhance social skills, language development, emotional intelligence. Montessori educators recommend wooden toys because tactile experience is better than plastic. Studies show children playing with wooden toys have 40% longer attention span versus electronic toys. Rubber wood's natural texture, weight, warmth stimulate sensory development. Eco-consciousness. Parents teach kids about sustainability. This toy from tree that made rubber for cars. Next generation grows up environmentally aware. The United States not only leads the world in wood pellet production, but is also one of the leading powerhouses in the field of plywood production. With modern industrial scale and global top output, the U.S. plywood industry is worth tens of billions of U.S. dollars annually. And today, you and I will explore together the entire plywood processing process in the most modern factories in America. The story begins with tree planting. Professional foresters plant pine seedlings 8 to 12 inches tall in the winter, from December to March. They use GPS-guided planters, placing each tree 6 to 8 feet apart, creating a density of 600 to 800 trees per acre. Each tree is planted at a depth of 10 to 12 inches, ensuring roots contact soil, well, and perfect drainage. In the first 3 to 5 years, young pine trees need special care. Foresters use selective herbicides to control weeds competing for nutrients. They also perform thinning cutting weak trees so healthy ones grow stronger. This stage reduces density from 800 down to 400 to 500 trees per acre, allowing trees to reach larger trunk diameters. After 20 to 30 years of patience, pine trees reach harvest size. Trees are 60 to 80 feet tall with trunk diameter 12 to 18 inches at diameter at breast height 4.5 feet from the ground. Each acre of mature forest contains 100 to 150 cubic meters of wood. At this time, foresters mark ready trees with colored paint, preparing for harvest season. Wood harvesting is a job requiring precision and high technology. Feller Buncher, a giant machine weighing 40 tons with powerful hydraulic arms, clamps the tree trunk tight, saws off the base in 10 seconds, then places it gently on the ground. This machine can cut 100 to 150 trees per hour. Hydraulic shear blade cuts clean without shattering wood. After cutting, the skidder, a specialized log skidder, gathers tree trunks and transports them to the landing area. The skidder uses a grapple claw or winch cable to pull 5 to 8 logs at a time over hilly terrain. At the landing, the delimber removes all small branches, creating smooth logs ready for transfer. Finally, the log loader, a specialized forestry crane, stacks logs onto logging trucks. Each truck carries 25 to 30 tons of wood, equivalent to 20 to 25 logs. Logs are stacked tied with safety chains. The truck convoy runs on the highway, carrying fresh wood from forest to sawmill. The journey is usually 50 to 150 miles long. Time from cutting to factory is only 24 to 48 hours. Welcome to the modern sawmill. The log yard is the log receiving area 20 to 30 acres wide with thousands of logs sorted by type. Giant front-end loaders move logs to the log deck. Metal detector systems scan each log to detect nails, metal before entering the production line. Logs are sprayed with water continuously to keep moisture and avoid cracking. The first step, debarking. Logs are fed into the debarker, a giant rotating drum with steel teeth. As the log spins at 20 to 30 RPM, scraper teeth strip bark clean in 30 to 60 seconds. Stripped bark falls onto a separate conveyor, then is reused as mulch or biofuel. Smooth, creamy white logs are ready for the next step. Next is log heating, an important stage. Logs are put into vats soaking in hot water 180 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 24 hours, or steam chambers with steam 212 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 hours. High temperature softens lignin in wood, making peeling veneer easier and reducing breakage by 90%. Moisture content increases to 60 to 80%. This is the heart of the process, veneer lathe. Hot logs are mounted on the lathe, a giant lathe. As the log spins at 100 to 150 RPM, the peeling blade presses close, peeling off a thin, continuous veneer layer like a roll of paper. Veneer thickness 1/10 inch, 2.5 millimeters. Width 4 to 8 feet. One 8-foot long log produces 200 to 300 square feet of veneer in minutes. This scene is truly hypnotic. Wet veneer is immediately transferred through the Clipper automated cutting machine, cutting veneer into standard sheets 4 by 8 feet or 4 by 4 feet depending on product. Optical scan sensors detect defects like knots, cracks, then cut to remove bad parts. Recovery rate reaches 85 to 90%. Veneer drying is extremely important. Sheets are fed into a jet dryer, a drying oven 100 to 150 feet long, with 3 to 5 temperature zones from 300 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Veneer moves on roller conveyors through zones. Hot air blasts from above. Moisture content drops from 60 to 80% down to 3 to 6% in 4 to 8 minutes. This process needs precise control to avoid warping. After drying, veneer is sorted by quality. QC workers and automated scanners check each sheet according to APA standards. Grade A, no defects. B, some small knots. C, large knots, okay. D, many defects but usable. Sheets are stacked into separate stacks. Some defects are patching machines fit small wood pieces into holes. Now layup core veneer is spread on the table. Glue spreader machines coat evenly with phenol formaldehyde or soy-based adhesive. Layers are stacked with perpendicular grain direction, cross grain. This is the secret of plywood strength. Plywood 3-ply, 3 layers. 5-ply, 5 layers. Every layer alternates grain direction 90 degrees. Hot press, the decisive step. Glue-coated veneer stacks are loaded into giant hydraulic hot presses, pressure 200 psi. Temperature 280 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. The pressing process takes 4 to 8 minutes, depending on thickness. Pressure and heat cure the glue, bonding layers into a solid panel. One press can process 30 to 50 sheets at once. Plywood coming out of the press is still hot at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. They are cooled by cooling racks or fans in 15 to 30 minutes down to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, trim saws cut off uneven edges, creating standard size 4 by 8 feet, 48 inches by 96 inches. Laser guides ensure perfect straight cuts plus or minus 1/32 inch. Sanding and surface finishing. Sanding machines with abrasive belts. Grit 80 to 120. Sand both sides of plywood, creating a smooth surface. Some high-end products go through 2 to 3 sanding times with increasing grit. Dust collection system sucks 99% of wood dust. Then conditioning 24 to 48 hours in warehouse controlling humidity 40 to 50%. Final strict quality inspection. QC inspectors check each panel, thickness, tolerance plus or minus 1/32 inch, flatness, bond strength, delamination test, and moisture content 6 to 8%. Panels meeting standards are stamped with APA, the Engineered Wood Association trademark, ensuring PS1 or PS2 standards. Then, wrapping machines wrap moisture-proof plastic. Bundles 50 to 75 sheets per unit. The final journey. Bundles are loaded onto 53-foot trucks carrying 40,000 to 50,000 pounds and distributed to lumber yards. Home Depot, Lowe's across the U.S. Each year, this industry produces 18 to 20 billion square feet of plywood from a young pine tree 20 to 30 years ago. Now, the plywood sheet is ready to build your dream home sustainable, strong, and environmentally friendly with SFI certification.